My name is Janet. I'm one of the biologists here at Newman. There are 9 other biologists within our biology department, and we have over 600 students that actually study biology at AS and A2, so lots and lots of students. So what we study at biology at Newman, it's very similar to what you would have done at GCSE, but we take it to a much higher level. So for instance, we study biochemistry. In fact, that's what we start off on, a biochemistry unit. We study cell biology, we study the respiratory system, we study the circulatory system, and then we study genetics. That sort of incorporates your first year at Newman on your biology course. And then we carry on in our second year. We start looking at lots of plant biology as well. So we do obviously human biology, we do plant biology within the A-level course. And then there's a lot of genetics that we cover in our second year, as well as some other work on the nervous system and the muscular system. And that sort of completes really the course. But it is a really, really interesting course, and obviously all of us as biologists love our subject. That's why we're here teaching it. In the second year, you'll do 3 exams. Each exam is 2 hours long. The first exam is just solely first year work, so everything you've done in your first year will be on the first paper. The second paper is everything you've done in your second year, and then there's a third paper which is a mixture of both first and second, and it also has a 25-mark essay. But we always say don't worry about the essay, we give you lots of preparation in your second year to be ready for the essay question. Subjects that go well with biology are certainly chemistry. So we do encourage students to do chemistry. It doesn't mean to say that you have to do chemistry, but it does partner really nicely with biology, because lots of what we do in biology is very biochemistry orientated. So if you think about what's going on inside plants, what's going on inside humans, it's very biochemistry. So they do partner each other really nicely. Also maths. Maths is a great subject to do with biology, and there's lots of maths. There's 15% maths questions within the actual biology exam. But other subjects that go nicely are subjects like physics, like psychology. Sort of sticking to the science subjects really does help, because they sort of complement each other quite nicely. A typical week in biology is a real mixture of theory and practicals. So within the theory, we'll be going through the concepts for the topics that we're on at that particular point, and then we'll sort of back it up with practicals and activities to help make sure that you've understood the topics that we have been doing. So it's a real mixture of theory, practicals, activities, just to make sure that you have got that understanding.
We do a huge variety of preparation for the exams. We have our lessons are outstanding. We have incredible teaching staff, most of which are examiners for the exam board that we work for, plus a variety of others at A-level and GCSE. We provide Curriculum Plus sessions every week where we do exam question practice, where we consolidate knowledge and plug in any gaps in your understanding or go over anything that you feel like you need to go over from lessons. Students will go on to a huge variety of careers, so they will do things that are biology orientated, so you're looking at your doctors and dentists and vets, but also all the allied health professions as well, so nursing, midwifery, pharmacy, radiography, but then there's huge number of skills that you learn during biology that are applicable to every field, so the world's your oyster. So during lessons with your teacher in the classroom, you'll do a variety of practicals, you'll do exam questions, we'll do theory, you'll do group work, and generally learn not just for the exam, although that is important, but you'll learn the wider context of biology and hopefully engage your interest in it that little bit more than you were previously. We have 100% pass rate, and our A star to B percentage is way above the national average.
I'm Leah and I'm studying chemistry, biology, maths and further maths A-level. I love biology because I really enjoyed it at GCSE level, and at biology I love it even more because it just goes into that much more detail and you can get to see what you're studying in real life as well through demos and practicals, so I really enjoy that. It's always really easy to find anything you kind of need to brush up on through Microsoft Teams particularly, and you always know that if you do need any help or if you have a question, that the teachers are really easy to reach out to and really easy to ask, so it's fine if you're struggling. So I'm part of the Medical Society because I hope to apply to study medicine next year. And MedSoc's really helpful because it just supports you through your entire application process. It gives you those kind of things that stand out on a personal statement, such as extracurricular projects and extra parts of studying, and it just helps you through the entire process and makes it that much more easier and manageable.
Hiya, I'm Olivia Pryor. I'm currently studying Maths, Biology and Chemistry at A-level, as well as the Netball Academy. I'm looking to go to university and study biomedical science to become a forensic scientist. I enjoy most all the topics in biology, like immunology. Immunology is my favourite because I love learning about antibodies and how the body fights disease. But I'm also enjoying the current topic that I'm studying, which is respiration and photosynthesis.